Hi guys, I have good news for you today. As you know that this is the World Cup season, and right now the World Cup almost comes to an end because we are now at the quarterfinal knockout stage. Are you a fan of any national team? If so, has your favorite team survived until the quarterfinal? If the answer is yes, then congratulations. In relation to this exciting event, do you know that by only voting for one among the 8 standing teams in the quarterfinal knockout stage, you will get an instant 20% discount when you purchase an application called PDFelement. For those of you who already watched my review video regarding PDFelement application, you might know what it is and how useful this app can be for dealing with your PDF documents. And for those who don't know about this application yet, let me briefly describe this application for you. It is one of the best alternative apps to Adobe Acrobat for editing and converting your PDF files to Words, Excels, PowerPoints, ebooks, images, and more. It also allows you to combine 2 or more PDF files together with highly secure password-protected features. If you want to know more about this application, I have also included the link in the description to watch my previous video regarding how useful this application can be and how to use this application to its full potential. Okay, now let's get back to how to get the 20% off this application. To get this easy 20% discount, just click on the link in the description and then it will redirect you to PDFelement voting page. Here, let me show you this page. And for this page is where you can pick one among the 8 teams who might become the World Cup champion. And after you do that, you're done. So if you scroll down, there's only 8 teams left. So what I say, just click the flag to vote. So you just choose one among the 8 teams here. Let's say I choose Brazil. Click on it. And you will be prompted with this page saying get PDFelement Pro now with 20% discount off. You see, you get an instant 20% discount. And what you do next is just click buy it now and it will redirect you to another page. And you can see here your 20% discount. And then you can proceed the payment and you're done. So if you are fascinated in this application, don't wait any longer because based on this website, you only have around 9 days left before this promotion ends. So you must hurry. Okay, that's it guys. Have a wonderful day guys. See you in the next video.